Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and we have some interesting statistics from IDC, which is one of the companies that looks at, the market share for operating systems and PC sales and all sorts of things. Well, we have they kind of released a little report today mentioning that last year in 2020, PC sales were up quite a lot, and it seems that there's a breath of fresh air in the computer world, if you want. But it's not all good news for Microsoft and Windows, because the overall market share, even though Windows had probably more computers added to its line of machines that work with Windows 10, when you look at the market share, Chromebooks actually are 5% of sales of PCs last year. And Windows overall have actually even more than 5%, sorry. But Windows, as an operating system, lost 5% in its market share. Chromebooks sold more than Macs last year for the first time ever. So that is an interesting side also, where that's kind of bad news for Mac or Apple, because that means people are not going to Apple. They're going to Chromebooks. One of the possibilities here, and I would guess it's that because I see it a lot, is people don't want to buy expensive computers. And a lot of Chromebooks are of a price point that is what people want to pay. So, it's obvious that Apple computers are pretty much run by Apple fans more than anything else, because there's really no conversion. I see a lot of people saying, well, you're not moving to a Mac. No, there's no such conversion or going to Macs from Windows. It's not like that. It's even though there are a few people going and buying Mac computers, it's exception to the rule. Windows people are Windows people. Mac people are Mac people. But now there's a new player, and it's the Chromebook and Chrome OS, which is a cloud system and is meant to be as simple as possible. And, they're selling more than Macs now, and they're chipping away a part of the Windows system. And I think this is going to be the norm for what is the consumer market. We always say it, Windows is it's really an enterprise operating system. Businesses run Windows for the most part, and people looking for something to run and do what they want can often run with other platforms, and Chrome OS is probably one of them. And price point also, because even though there are Chromebooks that are expensive, that's it's the inexpensive Chromebooks that probably are selling a lot. So this is very, very interesting. Is it a shift in market? It might be a shift in the market for consumers, I would say. And it will be interesting to see this market as time goes by, because it might get even more important. But I think both Apple and Microsoft probably should look at this and say, people are moving away from both platforms. That is something to think about. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.